Hey there, if you have a refrigerator and you've noticed that it's not cooling properly or that you can feel excessive warmth around the sides of the fridge or doors or even on the top of it, if you feel a lot of heat coming out of it, that could be because your cooling fins on the bottom are clogged. These should be cleaned, I would say, especially if you have pets, at least a couple times a year to extend the life of your fridge. These were cleaned out not too long ago and they are caked up again. So we have a couple of pets in the house, and sorry about the lighting there, but you can see those coils, at least the fronts of them, are completely covered. So all you're going to need to fix this, and a lot of times there is a plastic guard in front so that you don't see this ugliness, but what you're going to need is just a coat hanger or a clothes hanger. Try to get all the toys that your kids have lost under there and shattered glass out. Ooh, that's nasty. That's really all there is to it, but that's that fine dander and lint that comes off your clothing and comes off the pets will clog these cooling fins, the radiator under here, and will completely prevent it from properly dissipating heat, which will reduce the lifespan of all the components there. You'll have your refrigerator give out prematurely. The same thing on any cooling device, whether it be your deep freeze or air conditioner or refrigerator, that you're going to need to clean the cooling coils out from time to time. And so long as you can see them clearly, then you're getting enough airflow through them. Coat hanger, sometimes with a little hook on it, seems to work the best, but get as much of this out as you can and then get a vacuum and try to vacuum the coils if you've got an adapter, but get it as clean as you reasonably can and keep these clean. I'd say at a minimum once a year, but probably twice a year, get through and clean these things out. Let's see if these doors are in the way. Maybe it gives you a little bit more room. Not much. Okay, well, there you go. Get to it. It's nasty, but it needs to be done. If it was helpful, I'd greatly appreciate a like and subscribe to see all of our new content. And if you have a recommendation for something you'd like to see, I'd be happy to look into it for you. Make a video. Ooh, nasty. The birds are gonna love this stuff. Squirrels probably too. Here she is, clean, more or less. Need to pull the fridge out and mop the floor though.